In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to respond to chats in the Wix Owner app using Inbox. When customers reach out, a fast, friendly reply can make all the difference. The Wix Owner app lets you handle conversations anywhere, so you can keep momentum without sitting at a computer. Start by opening the Wix Owner app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in and that you have a reliable internet connection. This helps messages load quickly and prevents delays. Next, choose the site you want to manage. If you run multiple sites, you'll see them listed on your home screen. Tap the correct site so you're working in the right place. You'll land on the site's dashboard. Along the bottom of the screen, look for Inbox. It's the area where all messages, live chats, and inquiries are collected. Tap Inbox to open your conversations. Now find the conversation you want to answer. You'll see a list of chats, often with the most recent at the top and a small indicator if something is unread. Tap the chat you want to respond to. This opens the full conversation history, so take a second to skim what's already been said. A quick review helps you reply with the right context and tone. When you're ready to write, tap your response. In other words, tap into the message field at the bottom of the chat. Your keyboard will appear and you can start typing. Keep your message clear and helpful. If the customer asks a question, address it directly. If timing matters, include when you'll follow up. Before sending, a brief proofread can prevent typos and keep things professional. Aim for a warm, concise tone, avoid jargon, and confirm any next steps in a single, clear sentence so the customer knows exactly what to expect. Once your message looks good, click Send. On most devices, this appears as a paper plane or an arrow next to the text field. After you send, the conversation thread will update, and your reply will be visible immediately. If the customer responds again, you'll see the chat move back to the top of the list, and you can repeat the same steps to continue the conversation. That's it. Open the Wix Owner app, tap your site, head to Inbox, open the chat, tap your response, type your message, and send. With this simple workflow, you can stay responsive and keep your audience engaged wherever you are. Thanks for watching. Now you can confidently manage replies on the go without missing a beat. If this was helpful, keep this workflow in mind whenever a new message pops up.